In this video, we're going to show you how to add your Imou camera to the app. No matter what model you have, on the back of the box, you'll find a QR code. Just scan it to download the app. After the download is complete, open the app. First, you need to sign up. Here, choose your country. Click on next. Enter your email address. Enter my email. And set a strong password for your account. After we enter that, click on checkbox and click next. After creating your account, you need to log in. In here, click on login. Enter your email address and your password. Check the box and click next. After logging in, you need to add your camera to the app. Scan the QR code located at the bottom of the camera and allow any permission the app requested. Here, click on next. Make sure the green light is on and blinking. Click next. Enable your location and connect to the camera's Wi-Fi. We wait to connect. Next, we should select your home Wi-Fi network and enter the password. After that, we wait to add the device in my account. In here, the device added successfully. We choose a name, choose a time zone, and click done. Click escape. Okay, in here we can see the camera's live view.